This video guides you how to create the updated firmware for FreeRTOS with OTA demo. Now start TerraTerm. Click Serial, and then select the serial port. Click OK. Click the Setup Terminal. Select Auto for Receive, and CR+LF for Transmit. Click OK. Then click the Setup Serial port. Select Speed 115,200, and click New Setting. Change the jumper on J16 of the CK-RX65N V2 board to the Run setting, and then press the Reset switch. In the TerraTerm window, enter CLI in uppercase letters and press Enter within 10 seconds after the menu appears. In TerraTerm, enter CONF setcert, followed by a space. Then drag and drop the certificate file to the TerraTerm window to send the file and click OK. Then, press Enter in the TerraTerm window. In TerraTerm, enter CONF set key, followed by a space. Then drag and drop the private key file to the TerraTerm window to send the file and click OK. Then, press Enter in the TerraTerm window. In TerraTerm, enter CONF set thing name, followed by a space. Enter the thing name registered in AWS IoT and press Enter. In TerraTerm, enter CONF set endpoint, followed by a space. Enter the domain name of AWS IoT and press Enter. Then use Notepad++ to convert the new line of the key pair certificate. Copy the key pair certificate. Open the copied key pair certificate in a text editor, convert the new line to LF, and save the file. In TerraTerm, enter CONF set code sign cert, followed by a space. Then drag and drop the modified key pair certificate to the TerraTerm window to send the file and click OK. Then, press Enter in the TerraTerm window. In TerraTerm, enter CONF commit. Then, press Enter in the TerraTerm window. In TerraTerm, enter Reset. Then, press Enter in the TerraTerm window. After the reset process is complete, confirm that TerraTerm displays a communication log and the application is waiting for OTA jobs. Change app version build to 3 and build the project. Copy the file AWS OTA CK-RX65N V2 MOT to the tool folder. Open a command prompt, navigate to the tool folder, and execute the command in red rectangle. This will create an update firmware file, user_093.rsu. Enter IoT Core in the search box at the top of the screen, and click IoT Core in the search results. In the IoT Core menu, select Manage, Remote Actions, and Jobs, and then click the Create Job button. Select Create FreeRTOS OTA Update Job and then click Next. Enter a job name, and then click Next. Click the Devices to Update drop-down list, and select the device to update. Select Sign a new file for me. Then click Create New Profile. Enter the profile name. Select Windows Simulator as the device hardware platform. In the Code Signing Certificate area, click Import New Code Signing Certificate. In Certificate Body, select the file CK-RX65N you created. In Certificate Private Key, select the file CK-RX65N.private key you created. In Certificate Chain, select the file CACRT you created. Click Import. Enter any path of the code signing certificate of the device, and then click Create. Confirm that the name of the profile you created earlier is selected in the existing code signing profile drop-down list. Select Upload a new file. In File to Upload, select the file USR093.RSU you created. Click Browse S3, and select the S3 bucket you created. Click Choose. Enter any path name and path name of file on device. In the role drop-down list, select the role you created, and then click Next. Click Create Job. When the job starts, the device receives the job and starts writing the firmware. If the value of downloaded block is updated, the update firmware download is progressing successfully. When the update process is complete, the device resets, and the initial menu appears. Confirm that the firmware version is ver.0.9.3. Press the refresh button on the browser to confirm that the job status is completed.